On February 3, 2024, chaos erupted outside Manny's bar. A man seemed to be stabbed and students screaming, and 10 officers from the University of Akron and Akron PD swarmed the scene. Amid flashing lights and life-or-death urgency, one man stood out, Sam Alley, with a fake badge attempting to pass himself off as law enforcement. His demeanor and attire initially granted him access beyond the perimeter, but inconsistencies in his behavior soon raised a red flag. Let's take a closer look.
I ain't gonna do nothing to y'all. Come on. Hey,
bro, look, he stab wounds. We got two odd coming.
I'm not gonna do nothing to y'all. Please stop.
Do you have anything?
Why'd you stop? Why'd you stop? Please stop. Please stop trying to.
He's bleeding. He's got stab wounds right now.
Please stop me.
I gotta deal with this guy.
Hey, no, they trying to come after me.
No, I'm not talking to you. I need you to stop talking.
Hey,
You have a trauma key in your car.
hey,
Bro, this nigga's got 4 different stab wounds, and you talking about we beat your ass, bro.
please stop.
Yeah, I got you.
Please stop. I haven't done nothing wrong.
Yep.
I got that. Come on.
Hey, the knife's behind you guys.
Okay, it's alright. We got
kicked it away.
We got her. This probably don't feel good, but I got you. We
got
Hey,
her.
watch his arm. His arm is
Relax, buddy. Relax. You're
Nothing
gonna
wrong.
have to
Stay away. I'm cool. Stay away. Keep breathing. I'm cool. I'm breathing. I'm cool.
Why do you stab, bro? Let me just.
Why'd you stab him?
I got that on him. Go ahead, get the other one. Just bring your other arm back, bud. Come on.
Don't resist, bro. Make it easier for
Get him
yourself.
settled down.
I'm making him
Get a squad here. Get you guys checked out.
There we go.
Fuck. The knife's somewhere.
It's probably in the grass somewhere.
No, it's. I kicked it. It's.
You kicked
it's
it?
on the concrete somewhere. It's over here. Look.
I'm sitting at my desk, messing with the cameras, look over, I zoom in, and I'm like, it's 3 dudes about to fight. It's like, hey guys, there's a fight going on, and then boom, they just tackle each other. And,
Yeah, so you got it on the cameras and stuff?
yeah, I have it zoomed right in on my desk.
Those record?
Yeah, it's from the top of the stadium. Every night I come in, I set them to the bars, you know, so they just like catch up, like they pick everything up. And I just happened to be looking over and I saw it, and you zoom in. When you zoom in and it's live, it's like clear as day.
Okay, awesome.
So,
I'll have to let my
my hands.
DP and CSU know.
Yeah.
Is there a way to get a hold of that from you guys, or?
Oh yeah. The kid that got stabbed actually has the kid in the black hoodie that we have arrested in a headlock.
Yeah, he was.
He has him in a headlock.
Holding him the whole time while I was trying to detain him until we got here. So.
I mean, it goes downhill pretty quick, but
Yeah.
but he was still in a headlock. The victim was still holding him in a headlock when my officers got here. So the dude in the headlock stabbed him.
Well, we got the suspect in the back of the car got knocked on the forehead. I don't know if he catches
Hey, dispatch, go ahead and get a hold of Major Hogue, please. He's on call. Did you see any of it happen?
No,
You just came running out?
I came around out when I saw the fight over here, and then also when I got here that he was stabbed.
Alright, I want you to stand behind this crime scene tape, like maybe just by the cruisers if we need to talk to you, but just because this is all evidence right now.
Right.
And if they need like a statement from you, so just head by those Akron cruisers.
Okay. You know how long it is? I do have to get back inside.
Are you working?
Yeah, I am bouncing.
Okay, I'll just come in there then if we need you.
All right.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, the dude, I have it all on camera. I was sitting at my desk and I was messing with the cameras because I always set them to the bars, you know?
Yeah.
I look at it and there's 3 dudes starting to fight each other. So I called it out that they were fighting. And then I zoom right in on it. Like if it's live, it's crystal clear. The victim's got him has the suspect in a chokehold.
Yeah.
They kicked him out. He got out of the door, is what you're telling me. Got out of the doorway. He pulled out a knife and stabbed Ethan once, like right by the door.
Well, the first wound was in the chest.
Yeah. So then somehow it matriculated itself over to this point, and then Ethan eventually tackled him. You kicked the knife away. Put the smack down on him.
That was before I kicked the knife away. We got him to the ground. We all started hitting him. There was three of us. Me, Ethan, and the other bouncer.
Yeah.
So we all work here.
Yeah.
We all started hitting him, and then the knife got loose. I kicked it away. I kicked it away.
Yeah, we saw that.
And then, that's when you guys came.
Okay. Okay.
So when are you saying the original stab happened?
Probably about 10, 15 feet from the door.
Okay.
Like I told him, the guy should have never been here. He's not a student. He probably didn't have a college ID. He looked older than, you know what I'm saying, probably 25, 26, I don't know.
Students say he's just some random guy looking for trouble. Now someone's bleeding. Who's to blame?
He just never should have been here in the first place.
Why would you?
I was trying to run away.
No, nigga, you ran away.
I don't care what you guys say. I will tell the judge. They were trying to fucking kill me.
Tell the judge you're going to jail.
Are you a college student? So why are you at Manny's? You're not a college student. You shouldn't be here in the first place.
I wanted to get away. I run marathons, bro. I don't want to fucking hurt nobody. I don't want to hurt nobody. Why would I want to hurt anybody?
You stabbed him.
No, I would not. Yeah, but it's because I want to get away.
You stabbed him.
Stop. Everybody calm. Just stop, guys. Just stop.
You guys wanted to hurt me.
Hey, pick him up and get him.
You guys wanted to hurt me.
You wanted to touch girls in the bar.
Thank you, guys.
Anyone to stab somebody coming.
Okay. Everybody sees what's going on. I would never want to hurt you guys.
Is that the suspect?
Yeah. That's your suspect, I guess.
I never want to hurt nobody. I'm
Supposedly
not a
stabbed this
suspect.
dude over
Come
here.
on, please. Don't hurt me like that.
Here, I don't even want to put you in the car.
I know.
I don't even put it in the car as a mess.
Hey. I'm not a guy that wanted to hurt somebody.
What's your name, dude?
I'm Thomas Jones.
Thomas Jones.
Yes.
You got any ID on you, Thomas?
Yes, I do.
You got to search him yet? No, sir. No, I was just trying to get him under control.
They wanted to hurt me. They wanted to hurt me.
Come here, dude.
I know, I'm sorry.
Go walk over, dude.
Yes, I'm not going to fight you at all.
That's fine.
Go ahead.
I'm going to walk over.
Okay. You don't have to have your fucking reason. I will fucking obey.
It's alright, just relax.
I'm gonna obey.
Just listen.
I'm gonna obey. I will obey.
That's the best bet right now. Just what do you got on you?
I have nothing. I just wanted to protect myself. I have nothing.
Oh, what's this here? What's in his leg pocket?
It's probably a pocket knife. I have no idea.
No, you threw it.
Well, I am not a violent person, I'll tell you that right now.
No, nothing there.
They almost killed me. If you guys didn't show up, they would have killed me. So I thank you guys for that. I literally...
No, my partner's Wes Brooks. They said he was trying to jump up and get away, and we just.
Thank you guys. I thank
help
you
him
guys so much because they would have killed me. Thank you guys. They would have killed me. I'm so sorry, guys. This should not have happened.
Nope.
They would have killed me, though.
Hey, did any of you guys see anything before you run off?
Thank you.
Here we go. I'm
All
not
right.
gonna run. I'm not gonna run, officer. You
No,
can
you're right. You're not going
do
to.
whatever you want, man.
We're gonna put you in the back of the car.
I get it.
You check this side. I check, but you double check my work. Oh shoot! I did miss the inside.
It's okay, officer.
Anything in there? No. Okay. I missed that one.
God damn it.
In the end, paramedics rushed the victim to the hospital, while officers eventually arrested Sam Ali for impersonating a peace officer. Impersonating a cop is a serious crime. Never attempt this. Have you encountered police impersonators? What do you think should be his punishment? Like, comment, and subscribe before I arrest you next for not doing so.